Look at this colorful recipe, the flavor will surely delight you. We start with 2 chicken fillets. Cut them into cubes. That's perfect, now transfer them to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and salt and black pepper to taste. Add 2 chopped garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix until everything is well coated. Now let it marinate for 30 minutes. After that, in the skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil and place the chicken to fry. Stir, letting it cook well on all sides. Once it reaches that color, we'll remove it and set it aside. Let's take advantage of the skillet and add another tablespoon of olive oil. Add 2 chopped onions and let them brown. Now in a separate bowl, add 100 grams of broccoli. Here goes half a tablespoon of baking soda and cover with hot water. Give it a quick stir and set aside for about 2 minutes. After that, drain the water and add the broccoli to the onions. Stir. Now add half a chopped red bell pepper, half a chopped green bell pepper, and half a chopped yellow bell pepper. Stir. Make some space in the center. Add a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 chopped garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Let it fry briefly and stir everything together, frying for another 2 minutes. At this point, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and salt and black pepper to taste. Stir. Now let's return the chicken and mix it with the other ingredients. Then dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 100 milliliters of water and add it. Mix well. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. And here we are at the end. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments how your chicken turned out, and feel free to share the city you're watching us from. Click like if you're already salivating, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you won't miss the next culinary tips. Thank you for watching until now and enjoy your meal.